Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today wasn't planned. My mum woke up with a really sore eye and it's been getting worse over the last few days. So today we're taking her to the local hospital in China and you're coming with us. The interesting thing is that she doesn't have health insurance, so we're going to see how easy this process is or how difficult and how much it's going to cost. Arriving at the hospital is a little different from the way we do things in Australia. The first thing we need to do is pay. We need to register my mum in and pay for the consultation before seeing the doctor. Then we get sent up to the ophthalmology department and re-register. Before my mum sees the actual doctor, there's a pre-examination where a nurse will take her in and do a few tests with my mum. My mum had to do a few various different tests and she didn't really enjoy these tests, but I guess they're really good, so they find out thoroughly what's going on. After the examinations are done, we'll be waiting for my mum to see the doctor. And taking the kids was also good because even though they're distracting us and distracting my mom, they get to learn about different things in China and experience it. Elliot and Eliza both found this really interesting and had lots of questions for the nurses. We're just now waiting for my mum's number to be called out. Hospitals are one of those places that really show the differences between countries. Every healthcare system has its own strengths and weaknesses. If you've ever visited a hospital overseas, I'd love to know how your experience was compared to your home country. Whilst waiting in the waiting room, Eliza made a new friend and they started playing with each other's toys and sharing foods and stuff like that. So that was really cute. Chinese people are really friendly and they're very curious about seeing foreigners. So it's really fun. Never a dull moment. And I always have kind of like on the go babysitters we find. And here we are with our doctor. She's going to go have a look at my mum's eye again after reading her. The doctor's checking my mum's eye again just to ensure that we haven't missed anything. She does a pretty thorough check, so it's really good. And she is a specialist. This is something that's really cool in China because in Australia, we'd have to go see a GP and then get referred to a specialist. The doctor has asked for some more tests to be done, so we're going in to do a couple more tests with my mom. And then after that, we have to go back and see the doctor again. One of the cool things about having all this done here is that I don't need to go back and pay for it at the consultation floor. I just scan a barcode on my phone and I can just immediately pay directly on my phone. After getting the test done, we have to wait again to see the doctor. And Elliot and Eliza have made a really good friend that is now swinging both of them up, which is really cool. And then they've gone up to an old Chinese man talking to them in Elliot's fake Chinese. He thinks he speaks Chinese. It's always nice having the nice Chinese people play with my kids and help us keep them distracted whilst we have to do, daily stuff. After seeing the doctor again, everything came up to 68 RMB. So the medications turned out really cheap. What we need to do here is scan it on this machine and automatically our name goes up on a board and we have to wait for our number to be called out. And we get our medication dispensed at the hospital pharmacy immediately, which is amazing. In Australia, again, what we have to do is go to a pharmacy and do it, and it's usually in a different location. But here it's all done in the same hospital, which is really easy. As I said, Mum doesn't have insurance, so we had to pay everything out of pocket. All in all, everything cost about 145 RMB, which is about $70 Australian, and everything was super convenient. We got to see a doctor, specialist, and got our medication all in the same block. Overall, today's experience was really good and convenient for everyone. And the important thing is Mum's eye is okay, and hopefully the medicine helps her clear everything up really quickly. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. And in the comments, why don't you tell us your experience of a hospital and how it compares to China?